How to issue a store credit in Shopify. To do this, we have to go to our orders, and we want to go to the left hand side and click on orders like that. And don't worry about these were just test orders, so that's why they say they're refunded or unfulfilled. I'm just gonna go ahead and select one of them. So the way we issue a store credit is once you're in this field here of your order, you want to go look here at the top right side and you want to choose more actions, and somewhere down here you should see something like refund with store credit. This should show up somewhere here if it's a regular order, and you just click on that and that's it. That's how you issue store credit in Shopify. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.